Hey Wildcats, welcome to today's announcements. It's Wednesday, October 14th, which means today will be even periods. You will meet for periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. Period 4 is on the docket today, so 6th graders, that means you will go to advisory today during period 4. You can see the start times, 9, 10:25, 12:15, 1:40. Show up to those classes, log in, do the absolute most learning that you can. Remember, students and parents, if you ride the bus beginning next week, student IDs will be required. 2 reasons. One is just safety and ridership. Our drivers need to know who's on the bus. And the second reason being, if we need to contact trace who's on the bus, this will be very helpful to us rather than trying to go off your memory or going off a bus video. One quick announcement and then some words of wisdom. Officer Savageau has information regarding free boxing and self-defense classes. Reach out to him via email or when you see him next week. It's not too late to sign up for those. Here's a quote from J.E. House. House is an author and editor. House said this regarding success. We claim that any man who is honest, fair, tolerant, kindly, charitable of others is a success, no matter what his station in life. What's your definition of success, Wildcats? Is it money? Is it nice car? Is it nice clothes? Is it shoes? Is it, what is it? Is it material things? I hope not. I hope you measure your success by how hard you work, by how much value you add through respectful, responsible behavior, because those are the things, Wildcats, that truly matter. Hey, have a great day today. Work hard, do your best, add value everywhere you go.